guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on this pink heart-shaped neon sign. I really love this sign, guys. It is super pretty. It's very bright. It's actually too bright that I don't even think the camera is picking up its color because of how bright it is, but I really love that. It's also very sturdy, guys, so it's very strong material. It's not that small, it's not that big, it's the perfect size, and it also has a little hole here in the middle in case you want to hang it up, or you can just lay it around in your room. It looks pretty like that as well. And you have two options to plug it in, guys, whenever you want to turn it on. You can put 3 AA batteries in here and it will turn on, or you can use the cable that it comes with. Now it doesn't come with the block, guys, so you will need to provide that, but you can just use like the block you use for the charger of your phone. But it is very long in case you want to put it somewhere where your wall outlet is not nearby, so I really love that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the lights, guys, so you can see how it looks in the dark. Alright guys, so this is how bright the sign looks like in the dark. It is super pretty. It's very bright even from far away. I really love it, guys. If you're looking for a good heart-shaped neon sign that's pink, I would definitely recommend this one.